Dytran by HBK introduces its new addition to the vibrecorder family, Model 4601A, a portable, 3-channel IEP vibration recorder with memory card data storage capabilities. The built-in LCD display allows on-the-fly edit of the configuration file that contains sensitivity, trigger types, file size, and other important acquisition parameters. The real-time information is also available to be viewed and configured. The device can operate as data recorder, live sensor data viewer, or portable accelerometer calibrator. The recording mode of the device operates just like the Model 4600A. Continuous data recording of all 3 channels to the memory card in accordance with sampling rate and file size defined by the config file. The recording continues until the stop button is pressed. If the live view mode is selected, the real-time data can be observed. The device operates in various modes: RMS or peak meter, which shows the current RMS or peak value of the signal along with the sensor bias voltage; time domain view, which shows the real-time sensor waveform; or frequency domain view, which shows the frequency content of the transducer output. The quick switch between channels, various duration, averaging options, and custom scales are available. Time domain mode is also available for a triggered acquisition to capture transient events. There is a cursor mode for signal evaluation as well as data export option to save the current data buffer to a measurement file which can be viewed on a computer. The calibration mode allows the basic calibration for sensitivity of an accelerometer. A calibrated handheld shaker can be used as a calibration reference. We recommend Brule and Kjar Model 4294. Once the unit under test information is filled, the user is prompted for shaker information, such as test acceleration, frequency, and uncertainty of calibration, which can be found on the shaker calibration certificate. The laboratory information is also needed for the calibration certificate purposes. During the calibration routine, the following parameters are recorded: resolution, bias voltage, and sensitivity. The device determines if the calculated sensitivity matches the unit information entered by the user and announces compliance decision. The device also calculates the uncertainty of calibration and generates the decision ruling to comply with ISO 17025 requirements. The calibration certificate can be stored as a text file on the memory card and later printed out from a computer. The recommended applications for this device are limited field sensor calibration, sensor troubleshooting, test setup troubleshooting, quick test setup verification, receiving compliance verification, and others.